Hello and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing this piece of furniture up to match all the other pieces of furniture in this room, because I've repainted all the furniture white now and put some nice cast iron detailing in just to take it back to the cottage look. I painted this one black. I was just trying out new paints. This is the Anna Sloan paint, and also I wanted to use the Hocus Pocus transfers, which I think at the time it looked great. Now I want to keep it in keeping with the room. I'm going to transform it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be removing all the hardware. I did put this lovely ornate hardware in the corners here, and the handles are going to be going, obviously I'm going to be doing the cast iron. But as you can see here, a lot of the hardware had worn off over time. I used the no nails glue. There wasn't anything else I could stick it with. So yeah, and obviously the handle is inside, but this has come off. So, you know, this piece of furniture now needs a good uplifting and yeah, keep it updated with the rest of the room. So I'm going to maybe use this black+decker sander. I haven't used this before, so this would be a great video to do a review as well on the black+decker mouse. And yeah, it's a really nice compact small one. As you can see in the picture, they're sanding a chair there, solid wood. So yeah, so I'm happy to give this a review for you today and see what it's like, and I'm hoping it does the trick, because I am going to be doing a few more projects which is going to consist of a sander. So let's take the hardware off, and then we will use the black+decker mouse. Okay, so we're going to open the black+decker mouse. Wow, that is a mouse. That's a nice small compact sander. So yeah, I'm very pleased with that. So as you can see, you've got all your little sanding sheets here, and we also have the black+decker booklet as well with all the instructions how to set it up. So I'm looking forward to using this. So let me set this up, and then I will come back to you. So, okay, I'm not going to be doing a load of sanding. There's already some great chalk paint on there anyway. So I'm just going to give it a light sand, and I can feel that. That is smooth. That's taken, definitely the wax has come off. It feels very raw now. And yeah, I think that's going to be good to go. So I just want to give everything a light sand. And yeah, so I really like this thing. You attach it to your Hoover. You can see you got your attachment there. No dust anywhere. Check it out. Look, no dust on the floor. Don't have to clean afterwards. Very good device. Very easy, especially when you're somebody, if you got small hands, you want something you can get control of. This is a great sander. There are definitely different levels that you can use. I'm only going for the light. I really just wanted a light sand. It saves me doing it from hand. So I'm just going to carry on. So as you can see, everything has been sanded, and with just a nice damp soapy cloth, I'm just going to wipe off all of the dust. So it's going to be prepared prepared for painting. So I'm definitely going to be leaving a link down below. Check the description box for the Black+Decker mouse. My delivery has come from Amazon, so I'm going to link down everything in the description box below, what I'm using in this video. Okay, so I'm just going to be using these Harrison wall and ceiling brushes. I did have some ones for the chalk paints, but unfortunately I've literally run out. Never stopped using chalk paint brushes. I've got some paint in here, and I've also got, which I want to show you, these little cast iron little studs. It's just going to give a little detailing. There, you can't use these around when you're doing like stools or chairs, but I'm going to be using it because this is a very slim piece of furniture onto the furniture once it's painted white. So I should have in here some white chalk paint, and I'll show you the one I'm going to use. I'm not going to be using Annie Sloan or Dixie Belle. I'm just going to be using this one. So this is the chalk paint, and it's just chalk white. So I'm going to be using this. Definitely remember to give it a shake before you use it. But yeah, I'm going to be using this. So let's crack on with it. I've just made myself a nice steak and kidney pie, so I'm just going to have this for my snack, and then I'll continue on with the second coat.